my name is Rebecca, never Becky, and today I am talking about absolutely nothing. I'm kidding, guys. I am actually just talking about hobbies, guys. I'm a little everywhere today, and I just wanted to get on here and have fun and record today and talk about some things that I'm learning. So let's just get into this video. Okay, guys, since we're talking hobbies, I'm just gonna get started in my makeup, guys. I'm gonna just kind of like do another talk through, not really about the makeup, but I'm gonna be showing you guys. I'm gonna be using mostly like Maybellines for concealers, drugstore brands throughout this this video, guys. So don't worry, I got your back. I'm gonna be starting with my concealer under the eye since I look so tired. But you know, some really cool hobbies I would like to adopt during this time is running. I don't know why I have the desire to be a runner. I'm not. I'm the worst person to run with, actually, because I complain a lot. So I don't know why, but I really would love to pick up running, guys. Another cool hobby I would say that would be pretty neat to pick up while we're in quarantine, I would say knitting. okay, I'm kidding. Okay, no, not knitting, but I would say like picking up really cool hobbies right now is something I guess I should look more into. But like things like, I guess knitting, I guess can be a new hobby. Puzzles, like I like to do puzzles, guys. Like I'm a little weirdo in that sense that I do like to do puzzles. This is Maybelline Matte and Poreless, guys. I as promised, it's another Maybelline product. But I am such a weirdo in that sense that I actually like puzzles. I like to do things that require me sometimes to think, but in a, I don't know, my mind, like a constructive way of thinking about doing stuff. So like puzzles, I don't know what other things. I like chess. Like that's a fun game for me to play. It's a real thinking man's game to me. So I do like it. I got taught at a very young age how to play, so those were the games that I played. I did not play a lot of games, I will admit. Growing up, I did not play. But yeah, that was some other hobbies. Like, ooh, okay, I just thought about a hobby, guys. So now that I'm back on track, because I lost my mind there. Ooh, no one's gonna see that. So another hobby I would like to pick up is riding bikes. I've always wanted to do that. I used to love riding my bike so much as a kid. You know, I don't know why, really, like what happens in our growing up stage, I guess adolescence, or that your teen starts to kick in, your adolescence time starts to kick in. So a lot of stuff you used to do, you won't do anymore. You are so determined to grow up. Lord help us. Why? No one told us that it was gonna be like bills, you know? So whatever. Now that I'm done, I'm gonna start in with my Jaclyn Hill palette, guys. Her very first palette, the Love of My Life palette. This is how much I love this palette. But just to go back onto hobbies, like I really do like want to pick up so many hobbies right now. But we'll see what happens, guys. I just can't believe I'm really doing my own nails. Like, as far as like how much stuff I'm like doing on the low, like I can't believe my nails is one of them, to be honest. Like I don't trust myself to do like new things like this. So I was just really floored that I was able to execute it. And I feel that I've done it very well. Any professionals out there, let me know how you guys think. Again, I'm gonna show you guys, I did my own nails. Sorry that they're dirty now, but I did my own nails. I did this myself. Sorry that they're dirty, but I did my own nails, guys. Yeah, I'm showing you again. Yep, I showed it you again. guys, so I took this orange here and I started to blend it out on the corners of my eye. I do not know the color because I will have to flip it over, and I just don't feel like flipping it over. I don't like the names not being in front, but I'll leave the name as I always do anyway. But you know, I just, you know, just trying to build this look up. I'm not sure what look I'm aiming for right now, so bear with me. We're gonna wing it, guys. We're definitely gonna wing this look. I'm gonna go a little bit deeper into the colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this darker, I'm gonna say it's like a red tone color, and I know if you have this palette, you know what this color is. But it's definitely like a deep, I'm gonna use these two colors. It's definitely like a deep red, and I wanna kind of neutralize the red that's gonna come off, and so I'm using this color here to make sure it's not too red. And then I'm gonna go right in the crease of my eye, right underneath the bone here. So can you guys see where I'm poking at? That's the bone. So that's where I wanna kind of make my definition, make it a little bit richer, a little deeper, in depth with the color here. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just really giving it some definition right in this crevice of my eye. The crevice, don't that remind you of like your mom's yelling, get the crevice out of your eye? But she's talking about like the sleep. I don't know why I just told you guys that, but whatever. But I'm gonna do the same thing to this eye. I think I'm noticing that it's so much easier to blend on this eye for me for some reason than it is for this one. I feel like my eye is wider maybe on this eye than this one. And if this is my wider eye and this isn't, for some reason the bone here is just higher up. So it's just comfortable for me to get in here. That was something I just realized that I just shared with you guys. Hopefully you appreciate that information, you know? If you don't, I get it. It's very boring information about me, but you know now. Okay guys, so this is what I've got so far. I am just making this up. I don't know if it even looks good, but I'm enjoying making it, so I love it. I'm gonna go in with this deeper red under, well, you know what? Let's stay with the orange. So I'm gonna go in with this orange color here right underneath the eye. You guys know I'm obsessed with this. And I'm gonna smudge it out. That is what I'm gonna do right now, is smudge out this red, like orange color. And this is intense. This is a super intense color, so this is not for the weak or the shy people. This is super bold. I can't even believe I'm doing it. So that's what I'm doing there. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I'm super excited that this look turned out so good because I had no plans of where this was going. But I just want to go over, like, you know, some hobbies that you guys are getting into. Are you guys like picking up cooking more? Trying new recipes? Are you thinking about baking? Like, is those some hobbies that you guys are getting into? I'm really curious to know because, you know, I think it's so weird that I got into nails. Even though I love my nails getting done, I just never thought I would be the one doing it. Like, asked me this a few months ago, I would have laughed in your face. Heck, ask me 3 weeks ago, I would have laughed in your face. So for me, I just feel like, wow, I'm able to accomplish this. So I'm just very curious to see what, you know, new things you guys are venturing out doing, whether it's sewing, needles, I mean, you know, not needles. What is those sticks? Crocheting. If you guys are crocheting, I know I crochet my hair. So for me, it's just like, it only makes sense to see what else I can potentially do. I'm finding talent a little bit of everywhere within myself, and I think it's fun. And I also want to just kind of go back into, like, I would love to get back into my old school hobbies, like I would say rollerblading, four-wheeling, hula hooping. Like, I used to do so many live activities. I don't know what happened. I don't know if age or just becoming an adult got in the way of that, and I want to see if I can pick any of that up, you know, either while I'm in quarantine, maybe order some roller skates and just go skate around my block for a few hours or something, because it's very, and because I don't really care to exercise, that's gonna be really good exercise for me, where I'm not feeling like I'm constricted to a gym or being outside for hours just running or something. So I think rollerblading is more fun. So I'm gonna actually look into that this weekend and see if I'm gonna purchase some skates, because I really used to love rollerblading. Or four-wheeling. And then, you know, again, just to like hear what you guys have to say. I enjoyed, again, you watching me, and I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Click below, guys. I hope to see you guys next time. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.